Friend, today I will show you how to use CHAT GPT. So for that you have to create a account on the CHAT GPT. So I will show you the process how to create account on the CHAT GPT. Type here chatgpt.com and sign up here. You can sign up through Google account or you can enter manual email ID here and password. Okay, after entering the email ID and password, you CHAT GPT account has created. Okay, so I already have an account, so that I will use for today's demo. So today I will show you how to create a login form through a chat GPT. So first for that you have to enter one prompt. Mm, like I am entering create a login form in the HTML which which have username and password field. Now fire this prompt. Now you can see one code is generated. You have to copy this code. Here we have a command to copy that code. Let's copy. Create one index.html file. Index.html and paste your code here. Now you can see. Now open this file in the Chrome browser. Now you can see our login form code is generated. Suppose you have to set blue color in the background of this form. So what you have to do? You have to again fire a new prompt. Apply background color to above form. Now again new code has generated. Copy this, paste here and refresh this page. Now you can see blue color has applied. Suppose you have to apply dark blue, then what you have to do? Again copy that prompt, apply blue background color to above form. So it will apply blue color. You can see here blue color has applied. Now you can see code has generated. Copy this and paste here. Now refresh this page. Now you can see blue color has applied. Demo 1 2 3. In this way login form is generated through ChatGPT. In the next lecture we will see some new tricks. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.